I'd like to review for you our dryer lint remover. Yep, our dryer lint remover. This little gadget is fun to use and it's really helpful. What you do, it has a wooden handle on this side, and you take this long, bendy stick, as you see there, you put it down into your dryer lint vent, yep, and you wiggle it up and down, and you can see all the lint that you can see that we use it that comes out of your, you already clean out your lint vent, right? So you already get the part that is easy to get. This is the way you get the part that hasn't come out yet or might be stuck. So I went ahead and purchased us one of these a few years ago to make sure that we had this, and I use it about, in all honesty, about once a month. I will go in and clean out all that lint and not collecting lint in our clothes dryer. So if you don't have one of these great lint, what do they call it? It's a lint brush vent trap cleaner. Lint brush vent trap cleaner. Say that 5 times fast. Put it in your cart today.